How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the window regulator 2000 Honda Core. That's my 2000 Honda Core window. You can see it didn't close all the way, so something wrong with the window regulator. So I'm gonna open this, inspect it, and I believe it's the window regulator because the window, when I start opening and closing this window, I noticed the some grinding noise. I know for a fact that is the window regulator, but I'm gonna open it, inspect it, and then show you how to replace it. The only thing that you need to do, it has a panel in here. Just pull it out, remove that one. I'll remove the screw that goes in here. You remove that one and the screw that goes in there. Okay, once you remove your screws, just push this panel, okay, and then move it that way because it has a little clip in here. This one goes inside, so just pull it up, disconnect everything. Okay, once you get this one out of the way, you're gonna disconnect all the connectors in here. After that, this one, you just pull it to the front, then pull it out. One more connector in there, disconnect that one, and this one, it has a little clip. Push that clip, you see that clip right here, push it, then pull up the cable for the door handle, and this one is free, and then just disconnect this one. Press on the top, okay, so this one is out of the way. Now we're gonna do the same for this one. Disconnect that one right here, that one, and that one. They have little tabs like this one. Press the tab, pull it up, and then you disconnect everything. Okay, this one is out of the way. Now in this side of the door, you have this little plastic clip. Pull it out. Then the only thing that you need to do is go to the corner on the bottom, flathead screwdriver, or you have a tool to remove panels. Use that one so you don't scratch the paint. Okay, then you start pulling the door panel. Move your connections out of the way. Pull the door panel up. Now you have to disconnect couple connections, and then that connector right there for the light, and then just remove your door panel. Once your panel is out of the way, then you're gonna have 4 Phillips screws for the door speaker. Remove those 4, remove the speaker. Okay guys, now speaker is out of the way. Next thing that you need to do, we have this bracket, we have to remove it. And on this side you have a 10mm bolt, remove that one too. On the bottom of the bracket you have another screw, remove that one too. In this side, this plastic cover, just peel it off. It has that glue, but obviously in my car that glue is really old, and I think somebody was working on this door panel before, so that's why it's kind of messy in here. But don't remove it all the way, just remove it so they can give you, it can give you an access to the window regulator. Okay, you can leave it right there. I already see my problem in here. You see there, that's the window regulator. You see the cable, it didn't broke all the way, but it kind of like it tear itself to pieces, and there is a couple cables over there get stuck. That's why the window doesn't move now. So The only problem on this one, when you have this problem with the window regulator, is gonna be the if your window gets stuck, you're gonna have to find a way to put it until the two bolts. It has two 10mm bolts in here holding the door. That's gonna be the only issue for this installation. But if you have a wrench, there is no way that you can move your window, the only thing that you're gonna have to do is put a wrench inside here to remove one of the 10mm bolts. Probably from the other side, from the speaker side, you're gonna be able to put the wrench to remove the other bolt. But if you're able to move the window, just put it down or pull it up in case that your window gets stuck all the way to the bottom. My window gets stuck almost all the way to the top. So in this case, I'm gonna have to put the window down until I see the two 10mm bolts in here, and then I just remove those two. Pull my window up with my hand, because that's gonna be, your window's gonna be free. You remove those two 10mm, grab your window, pull it up, and put tape. In this case, I'm gonna use blue painter's tape, and with this one, I'm gonna be able to hold my window up to be able to remove my window regulator. Okay, the next thing that I have to do, I'm gonna connect again my connector, so I have power to put my window down. I just need to connect this one, the blue one, and this brown one in here. Okay, once those two are connected, the brown one and the blue one on the back, I'm gonna have power. Now, if I pull it up, the window doesn't move. But in my case, I'm able to put it down. I think so. No, my window gets stuck. So the window almost got down into the point where I can see those two 10mm. That's it. Window gets stuck. I think the camera is not gonna be able to catch that one, but I can see the one on this side. The one on the other side, I can see it. Okay guys, if you have one of these wrenches, it's gonna help you a lot. You see this one right here, that's one of the 10mm bolts. Remove that one. This one is already loose, so that one came out really easy. One out. Okay guys, tape is on the window, so like that I'm gonna hold it, and from this side, from the side of the speaker, you're gonna get access to that bolt because it's right there. I can feel it right there with my finger. So that's the other bolt. So now the window is just held by the tape. Then we're gonna have to start removing some 10mm bolts. You have to remove this one, these two on the bottom, that one, then you have these two right here, and then you have this one, and disconnect this connector, and you're gonna be able to remove your window regulator. Right here I have the new one, so if you can see there, we have these two right here, that one, these two, and these two on the bottom, and by removing all those, you're gonna be able to remove your window regulator. Now guys, this one is loose, everything is loose. This one you don't have to remove it all the way, but get it loose. Okay, this is the old window regulator. If you can see here on top how thin this cable gets, because all the cable start breaking, and then that's where it gets jammed. So that's why the window didn't go up and down. You can see right there the damage. So really easy to remove your window regulator, guys. So now I'm gonna transfer a couple bolts. I only had to transfer this one to the new window regulator, which is this one right here, and after that just put it back on. Okay guys, if you see, I removed the tape. I put everything hand tight. I put the cable through this hole, this little clip. I put it on it. Now you just have to put the other clip right here, this hole, and connect it. That one right there and that one right there, those are the two holes you can see there. That's where the screws goes for the window regulator. So just grab your 10mm with your socket and your little extension, put them through, tying them up by hand. That's one right there, you can see. Now grab the other one and put it through. So there you have it, that's secure. Now I'm gonna time everything up. So it's gonna be these two bolts right here, those two for the window, these two on the bottom. Okay, this is connected. I'm gonna time them up, these three. Okay guys, I was checking something, I didn't pay attention, but this one, it goes the other way around. The new one didn't have one, so this one I put it backwards. That's why I didn't find the nut, but the nut is attached to it. So I just remove it and put it back on. It goes the other way around. That's why this one threw me off, because I thought it was the other way, but that's the way it's supposed to look like. Now just get everything tight, all this, and your installation is gonna be done. I'm gonna put my controls back on just to see if everything works fine. Okay. Okay guys, if you see, Okay guys, so everything works, everything is fine. Now I'm gonna put my speaker, door panel, everything. Just gonna do what I did in the beginning. So my bracket, don't forget your bracket, it goes right here. And after that guys, installation is done. Okay guys, so installation is finished. Really easy to put the door panel back on, and you can see it works perfectly. So guys, that's how you replace your window regulator 1998 to 2002 Honda Accord. But pretty much every car basically is the same. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I hope this covers everything on how to replace the window regulator. I know it's basically the same for the passenger side. It's pretty much the same for the rear ones too. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.